When we booked our Sonet, it had a waiting period of 26 weeks. One of the perks of waiting was that we got our Kia Sonet with a few extra features. We were expecting 60-40 split backseat, but we got TPMS. Coming up why TPMS graduated from an underrated feature to becoming a must-have feature for us. Welcome back. After 6 months of our booking, we got a better Sonet with 4 airbags, factory-fitted TPMS system, among with other cosmetic updates. As an added safety feature, Kia Sonet 2022 was equipped with a tire pressure monitoring system that illuminates a low tire pressure telltale when one or more of the tires is significantly underinflated. We did not appreciate this inclusion at first. Instead, we were wowed by the color and the bigger MID display and the additional airbags. Last November, while returning in the evening, we got a real-time experience of this when suddenly the sign came on the MID. It started showing the pressure on one tire was low. We noticed and did a mental note and moved on, but as we progressed, we saw a rapid and steady decline of the air pressure from 34 to 24 within 10 minutes. This prompted us to pay attention, and we spotted a puncture shop and where we quickly halted. A tire pressure monitoring system (TPMS) monitors the air pressure inside the pneumatic tires on vehicles. A TPMS reports real-time tire pressure information to the driver using either a pictogram display or a simple low pressure warning light. The goal of a TPMS is to avoid traffic accidents, poor fuel economy, and increased tire wear due to underinflated tires through early recognition of hazardous states of the tires. This feature appeared in luxury cars and now is becoming standard. Driving on a significantly underinflated tire causes the tire to overheat and can lead to tire failure. Underinflation also reduces fuel efficiency and tire tread life and may affect the vehicle's handling and stopping ability. Tire pressure in Kia Sonet TPMS is displayed 1 to 2 minutes later after driving. During cold start, the information is missing. Even after the repair and refill of air, Kia Sonet's TPMS warning light was still on. This is normal. One needs to drive the car at 40 kilometers for 10 minutes. This should reset the tire sensors, and the next time you start the car, the TPMS light should be off. As we have said, TPMS is an underappreciated feature but is really useful in such situations and in general when you can monitor the pressure in your Sonet without visiting a petrol station. Useful addition to have, and this feature you won't appreciate it unless you have experienced it. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video.